Okay, so if you're watching this, then you want to start calisthenics at home and master it just like this by being able to do skills, have body weight strength, and have a great physique. So here's the good news. You can actually start at home right now. You don't need any equipment, and all you need is your body weight. And if you're asking yourself, is calisthenics for me? It absolutely is. If you want to become a beast, just like this guy, you got to start calisthenics today. You'll understand why, but it's just 3 simple steps that you have to follow. Let's start. The first step is you have to master the basics. These are the basics that will build your foundational strength, because if you want to achieve the most advanced skills like the planche, handstand push-ups, muscle ups, front levers, all the advanced skills you can think of, you're going to need to master these 2 exercises. The first one is the push-ups. So it's quite simple. Everyone knows how to do it. Okay, get in a plank position and just push up in that way. All right. For some of you, you might find it difficult. So what we can do is we can just go on our knees, like I'm doing now. Okay, and perform push-ups in that position. Now, what if that is still slightly difficult for you? Do not worry. I told you, anyone can start, and you will always find a way to begin. So we tried to do a push-up. It was difficult. We went on our knees, and it's still difficult. Don't worry. Go up on an inclined surface. Here's a table. Get in a push-up position on the table, okay? And just push up in that way. All right? This is much easier. And once you start here and get like 10 repetitions, then you can go down on your knees and then get in a full push-up position. So this is the first exercise we need to master to achieve the most advanced pushing skills like handstand push-ups, planche push-ups, one-arm push-ups, all push-up variations. You need to master this. This leaves us with the second exercise. What is that second exercise that you guys got to master? So the second exercise is your pulling strength, and that is the pull-ups. So this is what we got to focus on. Now, this might be difficult. You can try to supinate your grip and do chin-ups, which is far easier than pull-up. And if that's difficult, just hang on the bar and do scapula pull-ups. So it's like you're doing pull-ups, but your arms are straight and you're pulling up your scapula. And if even that's difficult, just hang on the bar until you build that hanging strength, until you can do the scapula pull-ups, and then finally the pull-ups. Now you probably feel betrayed because I told you that you don't need equipment. But here's the thing. If you want to master calisthenics, all you need is a pull-up bar. Just a couple of bucks. It's going to build you the V shape, build up muscular back that you dream of, and it will get you the most advanced pulling exercises. Muscle ups, front levers, back levers, one-arm pull-ups. Like, come on, there is no excuse. But worst case scenario, let's say you don't even have a pull-up bar, or you're not looking to buy one very soon. I don't want you to worry, because I'm going to keep my words and show you a way to grow your back muscles, strengthen them. So once you get a pull-up bar or get outside on a bar, you're going to become a beast and do your pull-up. So the first no equipment pulling strength we need to focus on is towel rows. So this is literally just like the pull-ups, except that we're doing them on the ground. It's the same mechanics, but we're doing it on the ground, flat on our stomach. You lift your legs and your chest, and you pull the band to your chest, or you can grab a towel or your shirt and just do pull-ups like this. Focus on retracting the scapula, like you think about it as closing your shoulder blades, okay? And do it in a slow, controlled manner, like this. Now, once you can or feel comfortable with this, you can also get into other exercises like the Superman. So again, lift the chest and legs and just squeeze your back, release, squeeze your back, release. Now, if you're a complete beginner, this is so powerful because not only is it going to build your posterior strength, it's also going to grow your back muscles because you're a complete beginner, and this is some new stimulus on the muscle. So, good job. Okay, Mr. Beast, thank you for sponsoring the video. Time to go. No more distractions. Focus. Because the second step is, and I want you to remember this for the rest of your life, the stronger your core, the more powerful you are in calisthenics. Stronger core equals more strength. The best exercise, and the only one I want you to focus on right now, is the L-sit, okay? The L-sit is the exercise which teaches you to control your body weight on your hand and perform advanced skills. Actually, the first one in the introduction, the one I did was not just hands and pushing strength. It was a good amount of core to stabilize the body. So the aim is to do L-sits just like this with our feet, legs, and butt off the ground. But, okay, no pun. It might be difficult if you're a beginner. Of course, it's going to be difficult because this is actually a calisthenics skill. So what you want to do is put your feet on the ground and just lift your butt off like this. You're going to feel it in your core. But if this is still difficult, don't worry, just tuck your knees and do it. Now, once you get comfortable with that, lift your feet, then you can slowly extend one leg at a time. Master this, and you're going to bridge the gap between being beginner to intermediate very quick. Anyway, the final step, and let's be honest, calisthenics without this, watch closely. Calisthenics without the handstand is no fun, and it's not calisthenics. I mean, if we're talking about mastering your body weight overall. So, as you saw, I was doing the handstand. This is your first skill and the first target you should aim in terms of skill training for calisthenics. But the handstand might be difficult. Do not worry, do not panic, do not cry, sit back. Let me tell you something. All you gotta do is an exercise called the frog stand. So, place the hands shoulder width apart, put your knees on your elbows, and just slightly lean forward until you can get your feet off the ground. Okay? Now, this will teach you to balance your body weight on your hands. Once you feel comfortable with that, what we can do is, come with me. Come on, you're there? Good. We're gonna get on the wall. We're gonna try to get closer to the handstand. Get on the wall and kick up. Okay? I don't know if you guys can see my feet, but try to remove one foot at a time until you don't need the wall. And then you can do it in open space. But hey, let's not get caught up here. Focus on doing the frog stand. Hold it for like 5 to 10 seconds, and then get on the wall and start practicing your handstand. Now, today I'm feeling very generous and kind, and I want to give you a gift. What is that gift? It's a free calisthenics program that guides you to start, and it goes into details, to the exercises, to the full workout with the sets, reps, and progression that you can start doing today and applying. And it's going to show you all the levels. So no matter how much of a beginner or intermediate you are, it has all the levels. The link is down below. Download it now. Start. Stop delaying it. I know how bad you want to start calisthenics, but you feel like it's not for you. I promise you, calisthenics is for everyone, and it's amazing to build overall body weight strength, amazing physique, insane skills which are impressive. It's amazing. If you guys found this helpful, please leave a like. It means a lot. And subscribe, because I'm going to have more tips and tutorials that will help you level up fast in calisthenics. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.